Sorting out all of the medicine plants. I'm kind of hungry. Let's go get some eats. And I'm thirsty. Where is my friend? That one is a poor little bugger. And that one, no. There's also a poor little bugger. Nita. Yeah, and also the tick I showed you yesterday is doing that thingy. Yeah, they said I could do a microscope with this machine on this little buddy. Yeah. He can't pee because his urinary tract is clogged. So yeah, and this little kitty cat that I showed you a while ago has been sterilized. So yeah. Good girl. She's always by my side. I'm so tired. And I want to pee so bad. Jesus. But I'm done with that, all of that, and yeah. Waiting for the echoscope. Little friend. Let's go. Yeah. Hey. He likes to scratches. Good boy. Good girl. So yeah. My back hurts so bad. Okay, enough bitching. That is what I wanted. It's almost 6. 5:30. I mean, look at this. Can you see? Hope you can. That is an awesome clock. So yeah, and I'm gonna go home at 7. Jackie, your coach, yours. Oh, good boy.